Hello students, now we are going to learn how to solve the question number 1 in exercise 7.1 for class 12 students. Okay. So, before going to the problem, if you don't subscribe our channel, first subscribe it and click the bell icon so that you can get the updates immediately. Okay. So, let's move on to the question number 1 in exercise 7.1. Okay. So, a point moves along a straight line in such a way that after t seconds, its distance from the origin is s is equal to 2t square plus 3t meters. Okay. So, a point is moving along a straight line from the origin. Okay. So, after t seconds, that is after some times, it will reach a point of distance of 2t square plus 3t meters. Okay. So, now we have to find the average velocity of the points between t is equal to 3 and t is equal to 6 seconds. Okay. So, first the average velocity, we don't know for how many seconds, for how long the time the point takes to reach the distance. But we have to know the average velocity, find the average velocity between the points t is equal to 3 and t is equal to 6 seconds. Okay. So, and then we have to find the instantaneous velocity is at t is equal to 3 and t is equal to 6 seconds. Okay. So, and we know that to find the average velocity of the points between t is equal to 3 and t is equal to 6 seconds, that is t is equal to a and t is equal to b seconds, we have the formula of f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Okay. So, here your a is 3 and b is 6. Okay. So, first we have to find what is f of a, that is f of 3, and what is f of b, that is f of 6, and then we have to just substitute those values in this formula. Okay. And then to find the instantaneous velocities, we have to first find the f dash of x, that is the derivative of f of x. Okay. And then we have to substitute the value for x in that f dash of x so that we can find the instantaneous velocities at a particular point. Okay. So, let's move on to find the average and instantaneous velocities. Okay. So, the given data is s is equal to 2t square plus 3t. Okay. So, now we are going to take this as f of t because it is a function of t. Okay. So, let's take this as f of t is equal to 2t square plus 3t. Okay. So, the first subdivision is we have to find the average velocity of the points between t is equal to 3 and t is equal to 6 seconds. Okay. So, to find the average velocity, we have to first know what is your f of a and f of b, that is f of 3 and f of 6. Okay. So, from this f of t, we are going to find f of 3 as substituting t is equal to 3. Okay. So, that your f of 3 will be equal to 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3. Therefore, 2 into 9 plus 9, 18 plus 9 which is equal to 27. So, let's take this as f of a. Okay. So, now your f of a is equal to 27. So, likewise we are going to find what is your f of 6, that is f of 6 is equal to 2 into 6 square plus 3 into 6, that is 2 into 36 plus 18, and it is 72 plus 18. So, it is equal to 90, that is equal to f of b. So, let's take this f of 6 as equal to f of b. Okay. So, now we have f of a and f of b, and your a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 6. Okay. So, let's substitute all these values in the formula for finding average velocity, that is average velocity is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. So, that 90, your f of b is 90, f of a is 27. Therefore, 90 minus 27 divided by 6 minus 3, 63 divided by 3. So, this is equal to 21 millimeter per second. Okay. So, the velocity, unit of velocity is meter per second. So, don't forget to mention the unit of velocity. Okay. So, the average velocity is now equal to 21 meter per second. Okay. So, now we have found the average velocity of the points between t is equal to 3 and t is equal to 6 seconds. Okay. So, now let's move on to find the instantaneous velocities at t is equal to 3 and t is equal to 6 seconds. Okay. So, to find the instantaneous velocity, we have to first find out the derivative of f of t and then we have to substitute the value of t, that is t is equal to 3 and t is equal to 6 in that f dash of d. Okay, so first we know that f of t is equal to 2t square plus 3t, and then we have to first find the derivative for this f of t, that is f dash of t is equal to 4t plus 3. So we have 2 into t square as 4t. So 2 into 2 will be 4. So 4t plus 3. Okay. So now we have to first substitute t as 3 in this f dash of t and t as 6 in this f dash of t. Okay. So first f dash of 3 will be 4 into 3 plus 3, which is 12 plus 3 is 15 meter per second. So the instantaneous velocity at t is equal to 3 is now equal to 15 meter per second. Okay, and then f dash of 6 is equal to 4 into 6 plus 3, therefore 24 plus 3, which is equal to 27 meter per second. Therefore the instantaneous velocity at t is equal to 6 seconds is equal to 27 meter per second. Okay, so don't forget to mention this unit in your answer. Okay, so the unit of velocity is meter per second. Okay, so that's all about the average and instantaneous velocities at average velocity between between 2 points and instantaneous velocity at a fixed point. Okay, so to find this you have to first know the formula for finding average velocity, and then you have to find the derivative of the f of t and then substitute just the value for t in that derivative only. Okay, so this is so simple and easy problem only, and I hope you understand this problem. If you have any doubts and questions, please mail me to yadamkeli20@gmail.com, and if you want any more problems to be solved in this chapter, just comment in the comment section. Okay, thank you.